Hello students, so today we will see the divisibility test. Okay, it's whenever you are doing the division or whenever you are doing the prime factorization, there is always a difficulty in identifying the prime numbers and how to see whether the certain number is divisible by the given prime numbers. For example, if I write a number, suppose karo 4 5 6 4, so it is easy for you can easily identify that this number is a even number, and so definitely it is divisible by 2. But whenever comes to the numbers which are, suppose if I write suppose 1 6 9, so although we are knowing that it is divisible by 13, ये हमको पता है कि 13 से divisible है, लेकिन बहुत से ऐसे नंबर हैं where there are many numbers which are divisible by the prime numbers like 7 13 11 17 19, and we know that prime numbers are those numbers which are only divisible by 1 or by itself. तो इन नंबर्स की डिविजिबिलिटी टेस्ट कैसे निकालते हैं, तो आज हम सीखेंगे हाउ टू फाइंड द डिविजिबिलिटी टेस्ट ऑफ प्राइम नंबर्स. ओके, सो फॉर दैट it depends on 1 and 9 and it should be in the unit digit. ठीक है, किसी भी नंबर की यूनिट डिजिट 1 और 9 पे डिपेंड करेगा हमारा डिविजिबिलिटी टेस्ट. फॉर एग्जांपल, सपोज आई हैव टू फाइंड द डिविजिबिलिटी टेस्ट ऑफ 7. अब मुझे 7 का डिविजिबिलिटी टेस्ट निकालना है. देन व्हाट आई विल डू, आई विल राइट अ टेबल ऑफ 7. 7 1 जा 7, 7 2 जा 14, 7 3 जा 21. ये मिल गया मुझको. So 1 I have got as the unit digit. So when in the unit digit, when 1 is there, unit digit is 1. तो उस केस में how do we write the divisibility test? We will multiply the unit digit of the number by number preceding 1. Okay, and subtract from, here I am writing from truncated number. Okay, so this is the concept of when unit digit is 1. So suppose I want to find the divisibility test of 7. So it is 21. That means what is the digit which is preceding 1? Preceding digit is 2. Okay, this digit is preceding. So what is the divisibility test of 7? Its divisibility test will be last digit multiply by 2 and subtracted from truncated number. Okay, so this will be the divisibility test of 7. Last digit multiply by 2 and it is subtracted from the truncated number. For example, let's take one example. Okay, let's take one example. So suppose I have 343 and you already knew that this number is not divisible by 2 because it is not an even number. Then for the 3, how we are finding the divisibility test? We are simply adding the digits. 3 plus 4 plus 3, it will give you 10, like this. So let's check it by 7. So its unit digit is 3. So we will multiply 3 by 2. It will give you 6. Then what is our truncated number? This is our truncated number. That is 34. So I will subtract 6 from 34 and I will get 28. And you already knew that 28 is divisible by 7. That means this number is divisible by 7. Okay, so this is the divisibility test of 7. Last digit multiplied by 2 and then it is subtracted from the truncated number. Then suppose if you want to see the divisibility test of 13. Okay. So for 13, so we will write the table of 13. 13 1 13, 13 into 2 26, 13 into 3 39. So I got 9. So in case of 9, how do we write the divisibility test? Divisibility test. So unit digit multiplied by preceding number plus 1 and added to truncated number. So what is the divisibility test of 13? If you go by this rule of 13, so in this case this is the 9 and digit in front of 9 is 3. That means its unit digit multiplied by 4 and added to remaining, added to truncated number. Okay, for example, if I want to check 2187, okay, this is my number, or let's take a number, suppose 169. You already knew this number is divisible by 13. So how do we check? This is 9. So 9 into 4 will give you 36. Then remaining truncated number is 16. So we will add 16 to it. It will give you 52. And we already knew that 52 is divisible by 13. So this is the divisibility test of 13. Unit digit multiplied by 4 and added to truncated number. So let's summarize the divisibility test of prime numbers. So when the unit digit is 1, what will be the divisibility test? You will multiply the last digit of the number by a number preceding 1 and then subtract it from the truncated number. And when the last digit, when the unit digit is 9, in that case you will multiply the last digit of the number by preceding digit plus 1. You will increase that digit and you add it to the truncated number. So suppose if you wish to calculate the divisibility test of 17, so we will write 17 1 17, 17 into 2 34, 17 into 3 51. So unit digit is 1. So which form we will use? This. So its divisibility test will be unit digit into what is the number preceding? 5 minus truncated number. Suppose if you want to calculate the divisibility test of 19, so very first will give you, so 19 ones are 19, so here it is 9. So what will be the divisibility test? Its divisibility test will be unit digit into preceding the digit, that is preceding digit is 1, 1 plus 1, 2 into 2 and added plus truncated number. like this. Suppose if you want to calculate the divisibility test of 23, so 23 ones are 23, 23 twos are 46, 23 threes are 69, like this. So again we got the 9. So what will be its divisibility test? Unit digit into number added to 6, that is 6 plus 1 gives you 7 plus truncated number. Okay, like this you can find the divisibility test of the prime numbers like 7, 13, 19, 17, 23. The only limitation of this method is you need to know the tables of 17, 19, 23, then 29, like this. If you know the tables of these numbers, then you can easily identify whether the given number is divisible by a prime number or not. Thank you.